Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and unplug, then press the power button to bleed capacitors. This prevents shocks. Next, ground yourself with an anti-static strap or touch the case. Remove the side panel and position the PC where light reaches the motherboard. Locate the DIMM slots and note channel labeling. This matters for dual-channel setups. Release the retaining clips on the target slot. You should hear or feel a slight click as they open. Once done, you're ready to extract the module. You now remove the old stick. Open both clips fully and pull the RAM straight up with steady, even force. Avoid wiggling. Inspect the replacement DDR3 for the notch and align it with the slot key. Orientation matters. Holding the module by its edges, line it up and press down firmly and evenly with both thumbs until each clip snaps into place. You should see the module seated flush and hear that click. If a clip resists, stop and realign. Forcing causes damage. Once installed, replace the side panel, reconnect power and peripherals, and boot to BIOS or UEFI. You should immediately see the updated RAM total and the module frequency. This confirms seating and compatibility. Save any settings and boot the OS. If Windows or your system reports instability, run memtest86 or the built-in memory diagnostic. If the new RAM is not detected, power down, reseat the stick, and verify channel placement. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different slot to rule out a faulty DIMM socket.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.